back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This company is not only hiring a data entry specialist, but they are going to provide the computer equipment for you that you need to do the job, as well as allow you to set your own schedule. I don't know what could be greater than that, so let's just dive on in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family. But today's job lead is from the company BairesDev. They have 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a data entry specialist to work remote. Now, this is for the United States only. They are looking for a data entry specialist to support their recruiting area in the identification and initial contact of potential candidates for their recruiting searches. You'll propose new alternatives to identify candidates. You'll identify opportunities for improvement in the area's current processes, and you'll manage the notices in different job portals in which they work and evaluate the candidates that apply to them, identifying and analyzing those professional profiles in those job portals for the different searches that they have. So you'll basically be working in these online job portals, looking at profiles, getting that information in the system, and then analyzing them and picking out the best candidates. Now they're looking for somebody who has the ability to work as a team, who has great attention to detail and advanced English skill level, and has at least 1 year of previous work experience. This is 100% remote. It says hardware setup for you to work from home, so they're going to give you all the computer equipment you need to do the job. Flexible hours, you can make your own schedule. They do offer paid vacation time as well. Unfortunately, they did not list pay for this job. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, as I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you like data entry job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.